Is your craft room in shambles after all of your holiday crafting? Does your craft room look like this? Do you need help getting organized? Well, we have the perfect collaboration and challenge just for you. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome to Cara Brandon Creations. I make digital kits, do tutorials for junk journals, dabble in mixed media, and love all things crafty. Come on and join me. All month long, there will be videos from over 13 crafty YouTubers. They will be giving their tips and tricks on how they organize their craft space. They will be doing craft room tours and organization ideas that you can adapt to your crafty space. Every Monday in the month of January, I will be posting a video with that week's prompts. And the prompts will help us take the big task of organizing our craft room and break it up into manageable chunks that we can do each week. So hopefully by the end of the month, our craft room will be nice and organized and ready for our crafting. In my Facebook group, Cara Brandon and Friends, we will also be having a Get Organized challenge with prizes given at the end of the month. We will also offer a prize to 2 different viewers who have subbed, watched, liked, and commented on all of the collaboration participant videos. In the description box, you will find the video schedule. There will also be a link where you can download the schedule to have on hand. If you want to join us in getting your craft space organized and you want to share pictures and video, you can use the hashtag LGO 2022. So it's LGO for Let's Get Organized 2022. If this challenge sounds like something you need, grab your trash bags, your cleaning supplies, join me on January 3rd with our first prompts, and let's get organized. I'll see you then.